This accessory is called Double Super Clamp Mount from Maectech. This thing in here can completely change the way, how and where you can mount your camera. When you combine it with a selfie stick and a 360 camera, it unlocks the shots that normally are difficult to achieve safely. So what exactly is this product? It's essentially a dual clamp mounting system. It features two adjustable jaws connected by a central ball joint, which allows you to clamp two objects together and precisely control their angle. Setting this up is very straightforward and doesn't require any tools. You simply open up the jaws, place the clamp where you want it, and tighten the knobs by hand. Each clamp adjusts independently, while the central ball joint lets you fine-tune the camera angle. You can rotate it in a full 360 degrees and position it exactly how you want before locking it in place. When used with a selfie stick, the dual clamp design adds a second point of support for it, reducing vibrations and keeping the stick stable. Once tightened, the whole setup feels secure, with no flex or unwanted movements. This mounting here is reliable. I used it on my motorbike with GoPro Max on a selfie stick, and it's held its position without any problems. Once you tighten it properly, it stays exactly where you set it, so there's no need to do some readjustments. The added support from that dual clamp mount finally allowed me to use a selfie stick on my motorbike and record myself while riding, something that I wasn't able to do before completely on my own. The double clamp mount keeps everything tight and secure. I wasn't riding at some extreme speeds. My scooter tops out at around 60 km per hour. If you plan to ride faster than that, I'll recommend to not fully extend the selfie stick to keep the camera more stable. What's really useful is that you can loosen up the knob, remove one of the clamps and replace it with a ball head. And this allows you to mount the camera directly on top of it, so you don't always have to use it with a selfie stick or a camera grip. It makes this whole setup much more flexible, because you're not just limited to hold on to something. The overall build quality is honestly better than I expected. The whole body is made from fiberglass and reinforced with nylon. And when you hold it, it doesn't feel like a cheap plastic. It doesn't look as premium as aluminum, but this material is still pretty strong. and handles the vibrations very well. The knobs turn smoothly, nothing flexes or cracks, and the clamping force is impressively strong for the price. Both clamps feature non-slip rubber pads on the inside. They improve the grip and protect your accessories from scratching it. You can tighten the clamp firmly without worrying about damaging it. So what exactly comes in the package? Inside the box, you obviously get double super clamp mount itself. Maectech also includes an extra ball head with a standard 1/4-inch thread, so you can use it with 360 cameras. And there's also a GoPro style adapter and a single thumb screw. So this accessory in here is gonna be compatible with GoPro, DJI Action, Insta360 and other action cameras. Everything you need is already included in the package. You also get a soft protective strap. You can wrap it around a selfie stick or mounting area to avoid scratching your bike or other surfaces, which is really nice that the company thought about it. So that double super clamp mount from Maectech costs around $30 on their official website, which is a really good price considering what you get for it. For only like $30, this is a really well-built accessory. The build quality, clamping strength and overall stability are pretty damn good, and at this price point I highly recommend it. If you are planning to mount a selfie stick on a motorbike, I highly recommend using 2 clamps instead of only 1, because 2 mounting points provide a much better support and overall stability. It reduces the stress on the mount and lowers the chance of anything loosening over time. If you are interested in it, then Maectech offers a dedicated kit with 2 double clamps designed specifically for this type of setup. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.